In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this Wi-Fi uses an older security standard. So we have two solutions for you. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are going to suggest you to just change the WLAN security to WPA2. So I'll be showing you an image on sample on what this look like. So here, as you can see, we've gone to WLAN security to network and change the encryption to WPA2. So if we set this to WPA2, this will automatically solve your problem over time, and you won't be able to see this issue. um from here to actually get here, if you're using TP-Link, you can just go to 192.168.0.1. So you'll be asked to, if this is the first time you've accessed your router, you'll be asked to enter the default username and password, which is you can see on the website where you got your router. So maybe TP-Link or another brand. You can check with your support with the brand you've brought from. So if that's how that's the first way that we could do it, just changing the encryption type to WPA2. So the other way that we could actually just fix this is to just simply go for a new Wi-Fi adapter. So changing up the Wi-Fi adapter on your PC could help you a lot. This also increases the security for your PC and would be a great investment for you in the future. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.